Today I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese-style potato salad that's got a rainbow of colors and textures, so stick around. Welcome back to No Recipes. I'm Mark Matsumoto, and I'm here to show you how to elevate your everyday meals, so hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss out. I know potato salad isn't exactly the first thing to come to mind when you're thinking about Japanese cuisine, but it's become a popular side dish here. And unlike its Western counterpart, the Japanese version is loaded with veggies, which gives it a great color and texture. In fact, my version that I'm about to show you is loaded with enough veggies and protein that you could stuff it between 2 slices of bread to make a potato salad sandwich and call it a day. All right, let's have a look at our ingredients. For the dressing, we're going to be using 1/3 cup of Japanese mayonnaise. It's more tangy and savory than its Western counterparts, and it's what gives Japanese potato salad its unique taste. We're also going to be using 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper to taste. For the salad, I've got about 700 grams of small waxy potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 Japanese or Persian cucumber, 1/8 of a sweet onion, 5 slices of ham, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. The first thing you want to do is wash your potatoes thoroughly to remove any dirt. Then you need to peel them, removing any eyes from the spuds. Now we're going to fill a pot with cold water and chop our potatoes into pieces that are about 3/4 of an inch in diameter. They're going to get mashed, so they don't need to be perfect, but you want to get the pieces about the same size so that they cook through at the same rate. Be sure to get them into the pot of water as soon as you've cut them so they don't have a chance to discolor. Now you want to peel your carrot and chop it up into chunks that are about 1/3 of an inch thick. Let's get these into the pot, and then we're gonna put this on the stove and bring it to a boil. Once it reaches a full boil, turn down the heat to maintain a gentle simmer. This is gonna take about 15 minutes, so let's work on the rest of the vegetables while these cook. First, I'm gonna cut the onions into a fine dice. These go into a bowl, and then we're gonna slice our cucumbers up. I'm using a Japanese cucumber today, but Lebanese or Persian cucumbers work for this as well. Okay, let's get these into the bowl with the onions, and I'm gonna sprinkle on some salt. This is gonna draw out excess water from the vegetables through osmosis, which gives them a crunchy texture while also taming the harshness of the raw onion. For the ham, I'm just gonna chop it up into a 1/4 inch dice. For the boiled eggs, I'm gonna quarter them lengthwise, which is the best way to ensure that you get even yolk distribution. For the dressing, I've got a large bowl that I'm gonna add the mayonnaise to. Then I'm gonna add the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Now we just need to stir this together until it's nice and smooth. Okay, let's check on our potatoes. When you can pass a fork or toothpick effortlessly through the potatoes, they're good to go. Let's go ahead and drain these in a colander, and then you want to get the potatoes into the bowl with the dressing while they're still hot. Now I'm gonna stir this together, breaking up the potatoes as I go. The idea here is to partially mash the potatoes without smashing the carrots. Once it's looking like this, let's go ahead and add the ham. The cucumbers and onions should have released some liquid by now, but we're gonna help them out by giving them a nice massage. This is gonna make them go translucent, and their texture goes from crispy to crunchy. Once you've massaged a good amount of water out of them, gather them up in your hand and squeeze out as much liquid as you can. Now we can add these to our potato salad and stir it all together until everything is evenly distributed. To plate it up, I'm gonna lay down a few leaves of lettuce in a shallow bowl. Then I'm gonna mound up the potato salad nice and high. The boiled eggs can get stuffed around the mountain of potatoes. And then I'm gonna finish it off with a bunch of freshly cracked black pepper. Although potatoes are still the main ingredient, the other veggies bring a medley of colors and textures to the party, which makes this as fun to eat as it is to look at. I love garnishing this with boiled eggs because they look like little gems nestled in a mountain of vegetables, but you can also mix them directly into the salad. This salad packs enough protein to make it a complete meal. And potato salad sandwiches are a thing in Japan, so if you end up with leftovers, it's a great way to use them up. This potato salad is a delicious side for fried dishes like tonkatsu or karaage, and it makes for the perfect side to add to a bento box lunch. So I hope you'll give it a try. If you enjoyed this video, let me know you want to see more like it by giving this a big thumbs up and by sharing it with all your friends that could use a new side dish. As always, I want to thank my amazing patrons for helping to fund this video. If you're learning something new from my recipes, I hope you'll consider clicking the link up here to join the No Recipes crew and help support our future videos. Well, I think I'm gonna go throw this potato salad between 2 slices of bread and make a potato salad sandwich. But I'll catch you in the next one.